Hello friends, welcome back. Okay, so now we're going to do about open classes. So I'm going to come over here, Command P, and open up about open classes. I'm going to close about classes because we already did that one. And yeah, classes are awesome, so this is exciting. The first problem that we're having is on line 12, which is here, Fido.bark. We got Fido.new. What do you think is going to happen? So here, Fido is created. We create a new class of dog. So then we've got, you think Fido, but Fido has these attributes, right? Fido can bark. If you go Fido, bark, Fido goes wolf. So we do that, wolf. That's what we're going to get if we go Fido.bark. Open the existing dog class and add a new method. Okay, so you don't actually have to keep them all in one place. You can say, hey, I want to actually make it so that Fido has a wag tool added to all the ones that he has. So even though they're instantiated in different times, they don't override each other. This one just adds to this guy. Test after reopening, dogs can both wag and bark. What happens if he wags? He goes, you go Fido.wag, and he says happy. So he's going to go happy. But then we also, even though we've instantiated down here, Fido can still bark. So you go Fido.bark, Fido goes woof. So they're just trying to show you that you can actually you can instantiate, you can write classes twice, and it would work the same as if you were to have started with it right here, like that, if you had added both of these definitions to Fido. Cool. So moving on. Integer def is even. So test that you can existing built-in classes can reopened. So 1 is even. It's going to return. It has an implicit return, and if it's the integer, if it's even, and we pass it self. Okay, so this is an integer, and it adds a method onto the integer class called even with a question mark, right? And so 1 is even. Well, that's going to be like, well, self is equal to 1. 1 over 2 comes out to 1. 1 equal 1 or 0. No, 1 does not equal 0. So this is going to be false. Yeah, 1 is not even. And so 2, and this is going to be true. So if I save that, I think I didn't run the rake task here yet. So if I run the rake task, it looks like about the dice project. So we're complete with this one. Now my guess is that dice project is going to be quite a project. I just want to see how big it is. Yeah, so I'm just going to save that one. This is a quick video, but this is very valuable. Being able to understand that the classes can be instantiated in multiple places is useful, and it's kind of cool to see that you can start doing that. In the last one, we would have been able to go like attr reader, right? And we could have given initialize with a name and things like that. This just shows you that there's other ways that you can add values to classes, and classes can be instantiated. And yeah, hope this all makes sense. See you guys in the next video.